Just thought I'd do a little short here, because it's really coming down. This is my workshop where I paint, and that's the house. Of course, we got the barn over there, but yeah, we got a little snow happening. Starting to get some accumulation, and it's blowing too. Definitely got some wind. It's sort of snowing sideways. I don't know. A couple days ago it was 50 degrees. Barely even had to run the heater out in the shop. Now we got this mess. So if you guys are getting bad weather, stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon.